Hello, today I am going to show you the presentation of free energy generator or free electricity generator in combination with capacitor. In this combination we can produce electricity for more than one light. In my previous videos I have already explained how this free energy or electricity generator works, so today I will not spend the time for it. This capacitor will be used to enhance the electricity and voltage of the produced electricity. I will use for this presentation this LED bulb. LED bulb is very low consuming, and you can see it is not operating without any battery or something like that. If we put it together with this capacitor, okay, there is also no operation. You can see I put it together, the cables. There is no lights, okay, so it's not working. So probably we can use this light. This is the same. Okay, you can see it's not working. Even when we put it together with this free energy generator, it is not working. Okay, we can use this, and we will use this standard simple LED light. It's also not working. You can see when I put it to capacitor, it's not working as well. So maybe we can start with the presentation. So I will connect together all the wires so that we can try to do it. Okay, so this is connected. It will take some time. Please wait for a moment. So we are connecting wires. Okay, wait a moment. It's not so easy sometimes. Put it together. Okay. So everything is prepared. It's connected. And now, what is important? I will take these neodymium magnets. And it's important to start this free energy generator to use it with the right angle so that it is pushing out the magnets and starting the rotation. So let's try the experiment. Okay, you can see it's very important to use the right angle, because then if you don't use the right angle it's slowing down. The only problem is that, okay, we can now use, comparing to my previous presentation, light for more light bulbs or bulbs, but on the other hand it's blinking because of this capacitor, so it has also a disadvantage. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for your attention.